Hi. At the Bridge Summit this year, we presented 16 societal challenges, representing a little over €1 billion per year in societal or business opportunity value. We then had that as a foundation for the markets session, where we gathered some 100 professionals from different organizations to workshop and spin new initiatives around these challenges. These are the challenges. Challenge number 1, solid waste to energy. In Sao Paulo, the state of Sao Paulo, they have a need to actually take care of 500 tons of municipal solid waste and turn it into electricity, heat and methane. And if someone can do that, 500 tons per day, that would represent an annual contract revenue of approximately €11 million. Challenge number 3. Garbage collection in Lusaka City, Zambia is a great problem. Not only are the landfills full, they're also blocked, which means there's garbage lying around the streets these days. That is both an environmental risk and a health risk. So they need to find a new solution to collecting and transporting, sorting garbage and turning it into valuable resource. If someone can do this, it is estimated to $1.5 million in annual societal value or contract value.